What up, everybody? What up? What up? What up? What up? This is Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk for beginners. Okay? Unless you want to add to something to help the channel out. My name's Tucker, and I created this channel October 19th, 2020. And I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for supporting my channel and consistently viewing my videos and leaving, well, some of you leave real comments and some are just bots, and I hate that stuff. But it's nice when I see someone write something, because it makes me feel like I'm interacting with an actual person, not a computer. So sorry for the hairdo or whatever, but check out my shirt and then we'll get into it. If you don't know what this is, then you better find out what it is, but I'm not going to tell you. It's rad. And so I'm just going to go into today, just briefly touch what's going on in the market right now. I'm just watching it move right now. And I'm going to go over the four stocks, or Tesla, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. Very short, like to the point. These are my thoughts. I'm not a mathematical magician or anything like that. I don't know like my ass from my elbow in terms of stock things, but I'm learning, and people are starting to believe what I say. I mean, I'm not lying, but I'm just saying, like, maybe it's becoming, the word is credibility. I think that's a better word to use. Anyways, I'm going to turn the camera, and now we're going to look at the the computer screen. All right, now that is one big, I don't know, but let's start out with the Tesla. Did I spell wrong? Okay. Now, what I've done here is I'm pulling down. This is on Robinhood, so if you want, you can do this. But this is a 5-year graph, and I'll go into that detail in a second. Here's a 1-year graph. This is with candlesticks. Gives you a much better idea what's going on. That's a big indicator. These are significant indicators. It's too late for that stuff in terms of price, but you want to see a clump of a bunch of volume like clustered in one little packed area. And then, you know, I'm not sure what this is, but that was probably the beginning to going up. But what I do notice, and I want to show you guys, is look at this S curve, or what is it? Head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and then we don't know what's going on right here. But head and shoulders, the shoulder's higher than that shoulder, obviously, and even that shoulder. But we have wyckoff going on, and so we'll go back to candlesticks, and I just want to make this not too long. I mean, lines. Okay, I'm gonna go to 5-year right now. I always say look at the bigger picture. Now remember, in wyckoff there was 3 points and then a drop, or a 3 points and then an up, meaning, where is it? This is a great example. This is how they used to do stocks back in the day. 3 points. See, it says 3, box 1, box 2, box 3, and then is when the stuff breaks loose. This is just a visual aid for you, and you can find this on stockcharts.com, wyckoff method. This is I don't know, get into that. So Tesla, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, 1, 2. We're almost at 3, and then I would feel like then it'd be a bottom down, bottom out, and a drop. Here's 1. Look at this line. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. My personal opinion, feeling like this, I feel like, I don't know, with Tesla so iffy, but 600, it's not bad at all if you're gonna buy it at 600. And I heard it could go to 500, but I think we need to wait a little bit more time for that to happen. There's still some stuff going on, but we're gonna go to now Bitcoin, and I'm gonna show you that. Keep in mind, all 4 of these topics I'm talking about are all crypto related. So whenever crypto goes off, boom, what goes off? Now wyckoff, here we go. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, and then there's the highest peak. On each of these dips, people made tons of money. Institutional investors. The 3 points. 1, 2, 3. This is a 1-year graph that we're looking at right now. And I'm going to show you a 5-year, because it's good to look. Ooh, whoa, what's that? It's always good to look at what's going on. Here's the wyckoff beginning, the middle, the highest point at 64, drops to 50, could have made money, buy back, go up to there, sell it then, whatever. That's how they did it. And then they drop it down 50%, right? Almost. And we see a perfect Wyckofian visual aid that I would love to show you on a picture. This part right there, I call it the middle finger. The middle finger can go this way, that way, this way, that way, and that way. It's like it can go and rotate like that. And when it rotates, that's when exponential movement happens. That's what I have been seeing with this whole entire BS crap that we've got sucked into. So let's go to just check it out. Candlesticks. Look. What tells me that they're still selling pressure is that this candlestick wick right here with the long line supersedes any buy before and the buy after right here. And Composite Man just won again by bringing this down. The more we bring it down, because there's people that are also, I just listened to a video, that are on YouTube doing, what's it called? It's like stop losses, but shorting Bitcoin or whatever, and their expirations, contracts. I don't know how that stuff works. I never want to know. But these are good indicators. Here's our milestone $25,000 marker that we want to get to. which would be great, or something close to it. And so that's Bitcoin. This is a 3-month chart going down. I could go on and on for hours talking about this, but I don't want you guys, attention spans lose. Here's the wyckoff points. Here's the wyckoff points. Some of them are really like obvious right here. Obvious. But see, I'm telling you, look, here it's up here. And then it comes down. And now it's bending to the side like that. And it forces the push of the rest of the wyckoff trail downwards. And then it goes back up. Now that is going facing this way. And it's going to play out like that. Look, now they're tweaking it a little bit. So it's going to change the lines a little bit until that wyckoff formulates differently. Here's an inverted wyckoff. What does inverted wyckoffs do? They usually make things go up. And then wyckoffs that go down, or wyckoff points that go up, usually end up going down like this. I just noticed this pattern from watching this stuff forever. I don't think I'll have enough time to get into Ethereum and Doge on this video, but I'll get into it later. This is no financial advice at all whatsoever. It's just showing you data. I'm just showing you data. That's it. And to